2016 Volkswagen T1 2.0. Today I'm going to replace the cabin filter. Okay, so this is the passenger side. So if we go down here, remove these clips, twist it. You want to twist it to the left. Okay, I'm gonna remove this cover here. Okay, so to remove the filter, you push this tab and it's like, okay, and then remove this air filter, so that's nasty. There you go. Okay. Okay, so right here you got the new one. Get it from O'Reilly. Okay, so see this one. So this one goes in here. This one goes here. With this one. You need to like play a little bit with this one. It can be. There you go. Okay. And now this one goes between those little holes here. Okay. And now we slide. And ready? And then put this one here. Make sure. There you go. And these clips here. So here's one. And the other one is here. Okay. Go right there. Yep. Alrighty. Sure. This one goes in here. This is going like that. Alrighty. Alright guys,